Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the rules of the groups or users on the Windows client on VirtualBox. So we have to click Windows R and type gpedit, just like me here, .msc, and click OK. Here we have local group policy editor, and as you can see we have here computer configuration and user configuration. In the computer configuration we're gonna click Windows settings, security settings, and account policies. Here we can, as you can see, change the rules of the password, like maximum password age, minimum password length, minimum password length audit, password must meet complexity requirements, relax minimum password length limits, store passwords using reversible encryption. So I'm gonna, for example, change the maximum password age from 42 days to the 44 days. And as you can see, it's done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. Bye.